Here's some little progress on playing with these 15 euro soldering iron with an OLED screen and an STC microcontroller with an 8051 core. And by reversing it and writing a custom firmware, we can already control the heating element, which is just not plugged in right now, but also the screen itself. So if I press the button left and right, we can see the counter going up and down. Or if I hold the button, it will here just reset to 0, but that's just to show it's working. It is being programmed via a normal USB to UART converter, and that is used by the original STC flashing tool. And yeah, you can even get it apart without any screwdriver or so, just carefully pulling it apart and getting the PCB out, and then you can reflash it. There are these unmarked test points here, which is the UART connection and one ground pin, but you can also just pick the ground here. And to flash it, you just unpower it, start the flashing on the PC in the STC tool, and plug the power back in again. And no other tools are needed, so it's quite simple to do such reflashing. This is just to show it being possible to rewrite a firmware, and there I will upload it on GitHub, so you can play around with it. I will most likely not make a full-blown firmware for that soldering iron.